Hello guys, welcome to the lecture. In this lecture we are going to make an hover effect. Whenever a mouse hover on these button, it should give a background a color like this. If you hover here, you can see the background changes into slightly gray color. So let's do this, and first we are going to change this icon. Like you see here, this is a different icon. So what we are going to do here, we are going to go to HTML and we are going to simply change the class. If you scroll up a little bit, here you can see it's a thumbs up icon, but the only thing we need to change is this FAS to FAR. So we need to change S to R. Now save it. Now let's refresh the page. Now you can see the icon is changed to the icon that we want here. Now let's add the hover effect. So go to a style.css file. Here you can see, so this rule we need to copy. So copy this rule from here, and this CSS rule will help us to just add a hover pseudo class, and it will easily grab the anchor tag as it done here. But now using the hover pseudo class, we are telling the browser that grab that anchor tag, and when the mouse hover that anchor, give this design. So we are going to say background, and background will be F2, and border radius, and I have given the border radius of 5 pixel. If you see here in the final project, if you hover this element, you will see it has a border radius. If you hover this element, you can also see that it has border radius. So what we are doing here, we are saying that go and give the anchor, because the anchor is wrapping the div which has this span element icon, also the icon, and also the like text inside the div, and that div is wrapped inside the anchor. Now the anchor is not longer the inline element. Now the anchor is a flex container. So that is why we are selecting that anchor and giving the hover state to that anchor, and we are giving the background and the border radius to that element. So let's refresh the page and let's see what happened. Now you can see it working, and when we hover here, you will see that successfully adding the background color to these BTN. So that's it for now, and in the next lecture we are going to add this div section and this comment section inside the HTML. So that's it for now. See you in the next lecture.